Hello, welcome to this lesson on international trade. We're going to be looking at the balance of payments, which is a way of doing international accounting. The balance of payments has two parts: the current account and the financial account, which you might also hear called the capital account. So these words are interchangeable. The thing is that the current account and the financial account have to balance out, have to equal zero. So if one is positive, the other one has to be negative to cancel it out. The current account is made up of three parts: trade, which includes exports and minus imports. If this ends up being a positive number, then we have a trade surplus. If this ends up being a negative number, then we have a trade deficit. And if it ends up being zero, then we have balanced trade. We also have investment income that's part of the current account and net transfers. So the current account is going to include trade plus investment income plus net transfers. If this ends up being a positive number, then the current account is in a surplus. And if this ends up being a negative number, then the current account is in a deficit. We also have the financial account over here. The financial account looks like financial assets and financial investments. We have capital inflow, which is investments coming in, and capital outflow, which is them going out of our country. Capital inflow minus capital outflow is going to tell us the amount of the financial account. If it ends up being positive, the financial account is in a surplus. And if it ends up being negative, the financial account is in a deficit. Here's an example. If the financial account is worth $500, what's the current account? Well, since they have to both cancel each other out, if this one's 500, the current account has to be negative 500. That's all for this lesson. See you next time.